Good morning, all of you. My name is Heda Satsang. Today, I'm going to talk about something very important to learn. It's knowledge sharing, process, and challenge. First of all, let's look at what is knowledge sharing. In the next slide, you can see it. Knowledge sharing is the act of giving helpful information, ideas, or skills to someone else. It's like passing your experience to another person. There are two types of knowledge. The first one is explicit knowledge and second one is tacit knowledge. Explicit knowledge is easy to explain and write down. For example, when you follow a recipe of baking cake, that is explicit knowledge. Instructions, manuals, checklists, and reports are examples. Second one is tacit knowledge. Tacit knowledge is harder to explain in words. It comes from your own experience. For example, knowing how to speak politely with the different customer, this can be learned by doing, not just reading. The next slide, let's talk about what are the examples of knowledge sharing. The first one is writing books or research papers. It means experts share their ideas or findings with others who read and learn. Second one is delivering lectures or presentations. Like the one I am giving right now, it's a direct way to teach others something. That one is informal dialogues. Sometimes we learn valuable tips during a tea break or a casual chat with a coworker. Fourth one is communities of practice. There are a group of people who do similar work. They can share their information or knowledge to each other. Last one is mentoring or job shadowing. A senior person shows junior how to do their job, so juniors can ask questions and learn more. In the next slide, you can see the knowledge sharing. On this side. This one is willingness to share. It means if a person doesn't feel safe, confident, or motivated, they might keep their knowledge in themselves. So the environment should be safe and trusted. Second one is identifying what to share. Means the knowledge should be used directly or shared with other people in Germany. Third one is choosing how to share. First should decide which the media that they use to share the knowledge. They can share through email, meeting, or calls, etc. Fourth one is transferring knowledge. This is the actual act of sharing. It could be showing someone to do something. Fifth one is receiving and understanding. The person who receives the knowledge should understand clearly. The information should clear and understandable. Last one is feedback and refinement. Finally, the feedback is gathering to make the future process successful. In the next slide, we can talk about what are the challenges of knowledge sharing. First challenge is knowledge hoarding. Some people don't like to share knowledge and they keep it for themselves to get more power and job security. Second one is miscommunication. Here, the shared message should be clear and understandable. If not, it may arise more mistakes or wrong decisions. Third one is technological mistakes. Means without a right tool, sharing can be hard. If system is slow, outdated, messages can't share properly. One is lack of trust. If people don't trust their peers, they are not open and share their ideas. At last, let me talk about the importance of culture and tools. These are very important for the knowledge sharing process. First one is culture. When we have a positive culture, people feel safe, respectful, and encouraged. As well as when we use the right tools like Microsoft Teams, Slack, SharePoint, it made easy to send messages, files, and hold discussions. So, knowledge sharing process and knowledge sharing challenges is over. So lesson is over. Thank you.